Hello and welcome back to my fifth devlog of my remake of my last project from Unreal Engine 4 to Unreal 5. In this video I will show you some pickups. So we have loot and power-ups, and also some leveling for the enemies to track the player, because since we have lots of verticality, they can take shortcuts. We can see here, for example. Also, for the upper platform, there are no stairs or ramp, so they have to jump, just like the player too. So I will show you. So we are in the arena. There are no enemies yet. I still don't have the wave system. It's going to be for the next one. But I have a spawner and I can spawn enemy. So I don't know why sometimes it freezes. Okay, so now yeah. Where is it? So the sound is the enemy that jumping. Okay, so he's here. So I'm gonna take damage. Okay, here is for healing. This is for bonus money. This one is going to be for unlimited ammo for 10 seconds. As you can see on the UI, now it's unlimited for every weapon. And when killed, the enemies dropped some loot. It's just money. This one is a shield for 10 seconds also. I can spawn some more enemies. It's random, so I have block bot, maybe kamikaze or a melee bot. This is for refueling ammo. So let's see how they track me. So this is a power up for doing more damage. It's a multiplayer. I one shot the enemies. And I don't know what's more. I think that's it for the power ups. So I did some other stuff, like I fixed some bugs. I had some problem with my pickups, but no, it's alright. Same for the navlink, because sometimes the jump is really not right. I have to watch out too for example, if the enemies drop on the screens, they are gonna be stuck. because the spawner, spawner is in the air here, so the enemies drop from here randomly in the box. So that's why they take time to reach me. What else? I can show how. So here's the spawner. I tried the spawn wave. For the moment it doesn't work, so I'm going to be late. I'm going to do it later. Here just I spawn enemy. It's what I call when I click on the button. So nothing really interesting here. What we can see could be the nav link. So when I reach, I activated the nav link to be a smart link. So I can click here, a smart link, and when you do that, you can use the interface. Where is it? I think it's entities, jump nav link. Okay, so you have this event can be available, and I made this function in C++, and I use suggest projectile velocity, and the engine will compute what type of what is the force, the jump force for the character, and I launch it in the air, and I play the jump sound. So really simple, and maybe the pickups, where are they? Here, pickup plate. So at begin play, I say I can maybe show you the blueprints, because there are lots of components. Environment, arena, and platform pickup. So this is the hover for the mesh. You know, it goes up and down. So this is what we have. We have the plate with which is the base. The pickup mesh. So this is what is displayed when the pickup is ready, and it shows you what you're going to pick up. This is a reload mesh, so this is the same mesh when it's recharging, but with a different material. I just change. I can put the same mesh. It's blue, but at runtime I set the color. Same for the health. And when the pickup has finished recharging, I hide this one and I show this one. So the light cylinder, so it's just for aesthetics. So it's this effect. I can show you. Maybe I can hide it. Just look nice. So this is for the collision, just the trigger. When the player enters this capsule, he will pick up the bonus. And the vortex FX here. Looks very nice, in my opinion. Okay, so when the player overlaps the capsule trigger, So I have a generic here. I disable the collision of the trigger, so it does not repeat again. I play the sound of the pickup. I hide the light, the FX, and the pickup mesh to just show the reload mesh. And then, according to the pickup type, so maybe I should show the header file, because I made a struct. So I have a pickup type here, and pickup info. So we have a type, a mesh, a sound, a color, transition color, and that color. So each pickup has this one. I have an array here of pickups and the current pickup. All the components that I showed you on the blueprint. And some info on how many health I refill when I take a health bonus, how many ammo, how many chrome I earn when I take a chrome bonus. The massive item, I'm not even sure I used it. I think I moved this stuff in the player character. So when I pick up just is not a power up, so not a thing that lasts for sometimes, just instantaneous. I play a little Niagara system. I can show you. No, this one is yes, this one. The little mesh is that go towards the character, and for the power up that lasts for some times, does not play. Just an aura around the player. I also added some fire to the flying platform with some sounds. Okay. And so I finished the FX. I generate a new pickup. I'll show you the function. And I add in my subsystem, my scoring subsystem, that I picked up a bonus. So generate new pickup. I take a random index inside my pickups array. If it's valid, of course, my current pickup now is this one. I'll change the pickup mesh, so this to the new one. I also set the reload mesh for later when I pick up the mesh. When I pick up the bonus, it will be this one that will be displayed. So it's the same mesh, but not the same material, not the same functionality. So this is what I do here. I take my reload mesh, dynamic instance. I set the color parameter to the reloaded color, the transition color to the transition color, and I refresh the material. For my pickup FX, so I just set the light color. So pickup FX in the little vortex of sprite. I clear all the delegate on my capsule trigger to add the new one. So I re-add the generic and according to what pickup type I have for health, I will add the overlap health. Ammo, I put ammo, column, shield, etc. And I set my cooldown time. And so it's in my tick. So if my cooldown timer is superior to 0, I decrease it. When I reach 0, my cooldown time, my next cooldown will be 2 seconds longer, and the pickup is ready. Otherwise, I change the reload mesh time parameter. So the time is just the thing that fill the mesh, like you can see here. So it refills, and when it's max. Hop. So this is done in the tick. And also I add some rotation to the mesh. So general pickup over. I hide my light cylinder and the pickup mesh to show the red mesh. Now that the pickup is generated, you can see pickup ready. When the pickup is ready, I hide the red mesh. I play the pickup sound. I reset the collision on the capsule trigger. And the pickup mesh and FX, and also the light cylinder are not visible. And I set the light cylinder color to the current pickup color. So I think it's pretty simple. This one's generic. Okay, I show you. Really basic. I just call the player the write function to the player. That's it. Maybe I can show quickly. I just add some chrome. Refill ammo. I had some problem with the refill ammo because my ammo manager not simple to deal with, but it's working. And I think that's gonna be it for this one. So we have the bots that track the player, that can jump on the platforms. We have some pickups that are randomly generated, and also when we kill enemies, they drop some money too. And some fire on the platform. I think that's it. Oh yes, also I did some can simulate here. So this is not working like I want. This is going to be when the wave starts and the enemy spawn. The cannon will it's gonna be trick. They are not going to really launch the bots, but it's going to look like the enemies come from the cannon. I have the asteroids here that move around. And what else? I think that's it. I will maybe need to do the stands also. So make the spectator here, add some fire here, and hover effect. But I think that's all. Yes. Okay. So next time is going to be the wave system, and yes, that's going to be the main thing. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.